Hi guys, today let's make scrambled egg. So making scrambled egg is easier than making omelette. So for scrambled egg, all you need to do is get your eggs or get your egg. I'll be using just one egg. So you get your egg, you break the egg, put it inside plates, then inside a bowl. Then you sprinkle what's it called, salt on it. You can add pepper if you want. If you want just egg and salt like mine, no problem. Just egg and just a pinch of salt, little salt in it, and then you mix. Make sure to stir well, make sure to mix everything well together. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, you can check out our channel for the omelette we made omelette some days ago. So today we're making scrambled eggs. So after mixing your egg together with your salt, you get a pan, put the pan on fire. Either put oil or butter, any of the above. It's not compulsory you put just butter. You can either put egg, oil or butter. So when the oil is ready or when the butter is ready, you just get your egg and you pour the egg inside. You spread the egg inside. Okay, for omelets, you have to be patient. You have to carefully wait for the back to get dried a bit before you can flip over and all of that. But for scrambled egg, there's no flipping over, there's no waiting, no nothing. Immediately you put the egg on fire, you can just use what you're using to check the egg on fire to scatter it. You can just use your spoon, yeah, to scatter it like this. So you keep turning it and turning it and turning it. Most people don't like their scrambled eggs dried, so if you turn it to till you get the texture you want, you can take it off. But me, I love mine dried. That was why I made it dried. So that was why I made it dry, sorry. So you just keep mixing till it's ready, and once it's ready, you take it off fire and you can eat it with anything you want to eat it with. So I'll be eating mine with bread. You can decide to eat it like that, or you can decide to like spread ketchup or sauce on top of the scrambled egg that is on the bread, and then you eat like that, any of the above. But that is just how to make scrambled egg. Super easy. You break your egg, add salt and pepper or whatever you want to add to it. Then get your pan, put your pan on fire. You put oil or butter to the pan. You spread your egg. Then you scatter the egg on the pan, and that is all. You're done. So you can either leave it dried or wet, any of the above. It depends on you. So yeah, it's super easy. So let us know what you think in the comment section about this video, and feel free to make a video request. If it's something we can do, we would make sure to do it. And let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from in the comment section, so we can make a shout out to you. Thank you for actually stopping by to open our video. We love and appreciate the new and old viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are amazing. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.